Snakes are remarkable hunters, known for their ability to execute astonishing feats. With their stealthy camouflage and sudden, powerful attacks, these reptiles inspire both fascination and fear in the natural world. Their lethal prowess, flexible jaws, and efficient digestion enable them to capture and consume prey much larger than themselves. In this video, we'll witness the incredible fury of a king cobra as it confronts its prey, observe a snake in a tense standoff with a frog, and see an epic duel between a snake and an antelope that will leave you speechless. Stay tuned, share this video with your family, and make sure to watch until the end. Let's dive into the world of snakes. Next, we have a king snake swallowing the head of a lizard. The lizard tries to camouflage itself in the clay, blending with the ground, but it's futile. Snakes have sensory organs that can detect the presence of prey from meters away. For the lizard, it was not a good day. Expecting an easy victory, the black mamba approached a chameleon. To everyone's surprise, the chameleon fought back and the snake retreated. Sometimes, the unexpected happens even in nature's harshest battles. A snake latches onto a frog, catching it off guard. The frog desperately tries to escape, but the snake is relentless, holding on to one of the frog's legs to prevent it from jumping away. The frog struggles, but the snake's grip is too strong. Eventually, the frog succumbs, and the snake enjoys its well-earned meal.
Insiste e consegue dominar o pequeno anfíbio.
First up, witness the ultimate snake showdown. A king snake and a python placed in a small aquarium. It doesn't take long before the king snake launches a powerful attack, biting the python. The two snakes are immediately tangled in a battle for survival. Watch as they twist and turn, each fighting for life itself. Pythons may not match the speed of deer, but they are masters of stealth. In this clip, a python ambushes a deer, wrapping its powerful coils around it. The deer has no chance to react or flee. With every squeeze, the python cuts off its breath, and soon the deer is nothing but a meal. Monkeys are agile climbers, but sometimes even they aren't quick enough. This unfortunate primate was caught off guard by a python.
It's tight until its prey suffocates. It can swallow prey 5 times the size of its head.
Despite its climbing skills, the monkey fell prey to the python's constricting attack and became its next meal. In this video, a snake finds itself face to face with a king cobra. The king cobra, known for devouring others of its species, attacks mercilessly. The threatened snake tries to defend itself, but its display of fear only fuels the king cobra's aggression. The cobra bites its prey repeatedly, injecting venom with each bite. Once it has a firm grip on the snake's head, there's no escape. The king cobra emerges victorious, a true monster of the snake world. Anacondas are among the largest snakes, and their hunting prowess is terrifying. Watch as this giant snake slowly swallows a crocodile. These massive reptiles can be found in the Amazon rainforest, right here in Brazil, showcasing nature's raw power. Leopards are carnivores that relish the taste of snake meat. Here, a leopard spots a python in the bushes and decides it's mealtime.
It's attacking.
Oh, there it is. I see it. Oh! How fat that is.
But the python won't go down without a fight. As the leopard claws at the snake, the python strikes back with equal ferocity, leaving the leopard to reconsider its dinner plans. In a shocking scene, a king cobra is pitted against a much smaller snake in an enclosed yard. The cobra, in full hunting mode, targets the smaller snake, aiming for its head. The smaller snake attempts to escape, but the king cobra's precise lunge seals its fate. This brutal encounter highlights the deadly nature of the king cobra. A small group of wild pigs, unaware of the danger, wandered through the forest. Little did they know a huge python was lurking nearby, ready to strike. The pigs, engrossed in feeding, didn't see the attack coming. The python quickly ensnared its victim, using its powerful coils to suffocate and then consume it. The black mamba is not only beautiful, but deadly. Its venom is potent, giving its victims little chance of survival. This rat ventured too close and paid the price, falling prey to the mamba's swift and lethal bite. Cows, with their calm grazing, are easy targets for anacondas. Here, an anaconda swallows a cow whole, demonstrating its immense strength. Sometimes, there's little to do but watch nature take its course. In the final segment, we witness an African python capturing a baby antelope. The mother antelope is powerless to save her young as the python constricts its prey, making it easier to swallow.
You must be kidding me.
The snake's ability to consume such a large animal is nothing short of astonishing, demonstrating the remarkable hunting capabilities of these reptiles. Imagine the terror of finding a python wrapped around your pet dog. That's exactly what happened to this man. The python tried to suffocate his small dog, but the man fought back desperately, prying the snake off with his hands and saving his pet just in time. Cats are curious explorers, but curiosity can be dangerous. This cat's inquisitiveness led it to a deadly encounter with a snake hiding in a dark hole. With no chance to defend itself, the cat fell victim to the snake's swift attack. In
O
this
rato é
capture,
super
a
inocente
snake
e não se
comes face
assusta
to
com a
face
presença
with
da
a tiny,
serpente.
unsuspecting mouse.
Esperta,
The mouse,
ela começa a
completely
se
oblivious to
aproximar
the danger,
sorrateiramente para
continues
conquistar
about
a
its business.
confiança do...
The snake, displaying remarkable intelligence, begins to sneak up on the mouse, gaining its trust. When the mouse least expects it, the snake launches a powerful attack, seizing its prey with incredible strength and dragging it away. The mouse never stood a chance. In another epic clash, a python faces off against a crocodile. The snake wraps around the crocodile, but the reptile's powerful jaws deliver a crushing bite. It's a tense battle where one small mistake could turn the tide in favor of either predator.
Larger alligators with their powerful jaws have a distinct advantage.
So, which of these encounters did you find most electrifying? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions for new videos, we'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay wild, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link in the description for more thrilling content. Bye-bye!